So I keep forgetting like a dipshit to bring the fucking phone with me in the goddamn supermarket. And I forgot yet again, but I went to the supermarket, so I want to go over with you what I bought. I didn't go, it wasn't like a full supermarket trip. It was just like a midweek supermarket trip. So, let me get my receipt. Okay. I just needed a couple things, which for me means, you know, because I'm a fucking foodaholic. Okay, so it wasn't that bad. It was 130, which is a lot, but I know, Kelly, I know, Kelly, I know, Kelly, but I got some good shit. So, here we go. Let me flip the phone around. Okie dokie. And please excuse my table is an absolute fucking mess. I went to Subway today. So Subway, oh my god. So Subway, this is how I eat at Subway. I get a 6-inch or a 12-inch, whatever I feel like. And you know, I only eat 6-inch at a time. So, I'm sorry, I should edit that out. Anyway, I got a BMT, which is ham, salami, and pepperoni. And I added turkey to that, so I got turkey extra. And then I got double meat on everything. So I got like 4 sets of protein. So it was amazing. So I got 4 times the protein, then just a 1 sandwich. So, because it would have been double protein if I had just added the extra turkey, but then I doubled up the BMT, and then I doubled up the turkey too. So I got 4 proteins in there. And then I just added veggies and, you know, a little bit of mayo, and that was that. And that was my sandwich. So the sandwich is fucking thick. I like them thick. So that was my sandwich. All right. So I got 2 watermelons. The other Mr. Watermelon Man is in here, and he broke my string. Boo. So he broke it, but I got 2 watermelons because they were on sale. I bought this. I decided to try this. It's just pork roast. Au jus. Au jus means it's in just like porky liquidy sauce, kind of gravy-ish shit. It's not a you know how gravy you add flour? Au jus means it's just the liquid. There's no flour added to it. So I read the stats on it. Let me give you the stats. Come on, focus. There we go. See that carbs? 1 carb. Look at where's the protein? 26 grams of protein per serving. Okay? So this looks pretty fucking good. I could throw that down and mix it up with some cheese and make like a dip out of it with some corn chips. And corn chips are a good carb. So throw that on my chewy list and I'm good. I got some grapes. Grapes are delightful because grapes are a watery fruit and they're delicious. I did get 2 things of bread because they were buy one get one free. I only eat Arnold Country White. It's just the only kind I eat because I'm picky. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got napkins and I got cups. Okay. So, whew, I got some parsley. Woo, parsley. What else did I get? I got heavy cream. I got 2 things of heavy cream. I got, oh, I didn't get that. No, I didn't get that. No, Kelly taught me how to get this. It's a cream pie, Edwards cream pie. Oh my god, it's so good. If you ever want it, get it. I got, oh shit, I gotta make my mushrooms. These are getting gnarly. Alright, well these are getting made tonight. Are you gnarly too? Yeah, you're gnarly too. Okay. This is my huge pot of soup. Yeah. Okay. I bought 3 things of these 6 jumbo brown eggs. I don't know this maker. I don't know Pete and Jerry's organic eggs. Means nothing to me. I just bought them because they're brown and jumbo. Okay, this is really funny. Anyway, so I bought that. Yeah. I got, oh, this is really cool. I found Italian lemon juice. The lemons are actually from Italy. Holy fuckity fuck, huh? So I got that. And I got the lime too. They make limes in Italy, squish them, and send it. Holy shit. Okay. Cold cuts. My cold cut drawer is always stuffed. Okay, if I just make roll-ups, if I stick it on those, here, these Magic Pop crunchy things, okay, which have like no friggin' carbs in them at all, no calories in them at all. I'm eating cold cuts like a fat kid eats cake, okay, constantly. So I got, what do I got? I got boar's head ham. This is, oh, this cheese. If you can get this cheese, it's by Boar's Head. It is the best cheddar I have ever had in my life. It's Boar's Head, what is it, Wisconsin Sharp Cheddar. It is so good. Get the Wisconsin one. It's aged for 9 months. Make sure it says that on the package, the 9-month aged sharp cheddar. It's so good. I got salami in here. Oh, I got mortadella. Mortadella is like Italian bologna, kind of, sort of. It's so good, and it has pistachio nuts in it. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh. What else did I get? I got American bologna in here. I got American cheese. I got, I don't know what else I got. I got Munster in here. What's that? What are you? Oh, you're bacon. I got bacon. Whatever. Cold cut drawer is always full. I have Fairlife Moo in here. Coffee Mate, I always put a little bit of that in here. Yogurts. I bought these fucking yogurts. Dude, I haven't had one of them. I think they're probably even bad too. I gotta go through them. And what do I got over here? Nothing. Okay. Oh. What else do I got? Do I got anything else? Oh yeah. I bought, oh, asparagus. When you buy asparagus, okay, little tip, foodie tip. When you buy asparagus, buy the thinnest asparagus you can find. Here's my finger. Here's the asparagus, okay? Buy the skinniest asparagus you can find. The skinnier, the better, okay? If the camera's shaking, I'm sorry. I just need to eat, and I'm hypoglycemic, so I get shaky. I got some veal cutlets. These I'm gonna make veal piccata tomorrow night for a friend of mine that's coming over. So I got some veal. Got shitloads of butter. My freezer, you don't want to see my freezer. My freezer's fucking stuffed. I'll bring it open. Alright, so I got another one of these things in here. Enough chicken to kill somebody. Vegetables, meatball mix, butter, more vegetables, more chicken back here, meatballs, more vegetables. I live off meat and vegetables, okay? Let's see if we can keep it still and close the door. Ooh, okay. So, that's basically what's in my fridge. Now I'm looking through the rest of my cabinets, and yeah, I have starch in here. I definitely have starch in here. Let me turn you around. So I've got up there, you know, I've got some pasta. I've got some, you know, macaroni and cheese, because it's just a necessity. Hello, I am American. You know, what else? I got beans, I got rice, Splenda, but that's it. I live off vegetables and protein. I really do. It's vegetables and protein with a smidgen of carb added in. So I think if you keep your diet to vegetables and protein, or, excuse me, protein, vegetable, carb, you're gonna be good. Just pile on the protein. Pile on the protein. Don't be scared of protein. You know, go to vegetables second. And if you really, really, really need it, go to some carbs. But, you know, just always push off carbs if you can. Go to vegetables, go to protein. Carbs are not a necessity. Carbs are just decoration for your diet. They're just decoration. Vegetables and protein. Those are the two killers. Go for them. So that's what I got. Love you guys. I hope this helped a little bit. Next time, I swear, I will remember to bring the goddamn camera into the fucking supermarket. I'm sorry about that. Love you. Bye. So I'm at the baseball game, and it didn't start yet. They're just cleaning up the field right now, and not a big deal. We're in the squishy seats. As you can see, we got padding. We have a little table that you put your foodies on. This is how me and my Robbie do baseball games. None of this bleacher shit. This is how it should be done, ladies and gentlemen. So we're at a Yankees Red Sox game. Should rock. Hopefully we kick their ass again on night 2 of the series. It's gonna be kick-ass. It's gonna be a good night. I can't fucking wait. This game is gonna kick ass. I'm very excited.